Hey everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. It's a Rocky Ridge edition with a 3-inch lift. The upgraded front steel bumper with LEDs. The winch with the synthetic tow cable, tow hooks. Fog lights also built into the bumper. "18-inch Rocky Ridge wheels with 33-inch Mickey Thompson tires on it. Steel step bars. Inside it's got the beautiful tan leather, power locks and windows. Your steering wheel has the cruise control and all the voice controls to make your phone calls. Your shifter, your 4-wheel drive, locking front and rear differential. The touch screen with Uconnect 4C. Rubicon embroidered in the seats. Cup holder. In the center here we got some storage with USB ports down below. The back has some more USB ports. Also a storage system built into the seat that you can attach things to on here. This is new on the new JLs. The 2018 JLs also have a backup camera built in, which is a nice feature for a Wrangler. Red tow hooks on the back, black Flowmaster exhaust, the new 2018 Jeep Rubicon JL is the most capable Jeep Wrangler ever. Again, we got a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon JL, stock number 28370T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come out and visit us in beautiful Piqua, Ohio, or give us a call at 937-778-0830.